Hi Tigers. Today we're going to do some more number work, and Tigger was so impressed with how hard you were thinking on the other game, the last game we learned about the apple tree, that he wanted to see what you were going to do again today. So Tigger, you sit down over here out the way, because he bounces too much and gets in our way. So today what you need is some bottle tops, or some rocks, or whatever you've got. Even make little circles with numbers on them. I've got number 1 to 10, and a whole lot of other, several number 1, several number 2, several number 3s. You're also going to need Mom and Dad to print off a number line. I will send this to them so they can see the proper way to write for grade 1, the numbers 1 to 10. But we've got the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, just like we have at school. And that's only for you to help you if you find you can't remember what comes next or what comes before. So remember, we keep it upside down like that. If you need to check, we turn it up, we use it and put it back again. That way our brain can do as much thinking by themselves, try and work it out, and if it's not happening, then we'll check and work it out that way, okay? You also need to have these pages chopped up. Mom and Dad will have those for you as well, or Mom and Dad can draw it. It's just a row of 3 circles. You'll see how it works now. Okay, and before we start the game, we're going to go through our numbers quickly. So what number is that? 4. 7, good. 4. 1. 0, that's right. 5. 6. 8, 10. Are you getting it faster than I am? Let's keep going. 3, 2, 7. Tricky one. Should we work that one out on our number line? Let's find it. There it is. So we count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's number 9. Of course, it comes after 8 and just before 10. Number 9. 3, 2, 10, remember? The end of our number line is number 10. Very good. 6, 1, 0, and 9 again. So you play this often so you can remember these numbers and get them stuck in your head. Then, you take the red paper, the red circles, and we're going to put them out. I've cut them up and you just put them out in any order. And every time you play, you just put them in a different order to mix them up, so you have to think really hard to work things out. It's called what number comes in between. If we've got a red and a blue bottle top, the white one is in between. It's in the middle between those two. So we want to find the number that comes in between the 4 and the 5. In between the 1 and the 3. The 5 and the 7. Something's missing in the middle. So we're going to try and work out what it is. Let's have a look. Number 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 5 is missing. Now look at my bottle tops and I find number 5. So I put it there. 4, 5, 6. Got it organized. Number 1. Then comes easy one. 2 and 3. That was easy. Here's number 5. 5. And what comes between 5 and the 7? 5. What comes after 5? Let me think. 6. Let me find the 6. Put the 6 there. Now, I'm going to see if I can do this one without having to count up. 3. What comes after 3 before the 5? 3, 4. I didn't have to count from number 1 to get that one. And that's what you're going to try and do. You get so good that even for the high numbers, you don't have to count. Let's work out. Oh, I know what comes after 2. Comes 3 and then 4. That's correct. 2, 3, 4. Let me find a 3. Put my 3 in place. Okay? So now I've got 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. And oh, this is more tricky. What comes after 7? 7 before 9. 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We can look at here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now, what does 8 look like? If you can't recall, open up your number line and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the 8. That's what it looks like. Now I can find it. Oh, turn it upside down again, so I only use it when I have to. There's my 8. 7, 8, 9. Very good. Now what comes after 6? Before the 8. What comes between the 6 and the 8? Can you work it out? 6, 7, 8. Good guys. There's my 6, 7, 8. Now the trickiest of all is 8. Then what comes after 8? Before the 10. What's just before the 10 again? Can you remember what's just before the 10? There's your 10 and there's your 9. 8, 9, 10. So I've got to find a number 9. Turn it upside down again. There's a number 9. So now I've got 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 9, 10. I found all the numbers that go in between, in the middle. So that's your one board to do. And when you're quite good at this one, you can get the other one out. And that's the other page. And this says what number comes before and what number comes after. What number comes before number 4 and what comes after number 4? Because now 4 is the one in the middle. We've got to find this one and that one. Let's think. What number comes just before 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then 4. So, there's a 3. 3, 4. What comes after 4? 3, 4, 5. Easy. Well done. Let me find a 5. There's my 5. 3, 4, 5. Always read it again to check that you got it correct. Now, what comes before the 6? What comes just before 6? Now I have to think quite hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 came just before the 6. There's a 5. 5, 6, and then comes 7. Very good. The 7 looks like that, right? So it goes 5, 6, 7. This is easier. What comes before number 2? 2, what comes before number 2 is number 1. That's an easy peasy one. 1, 2, 3. Very easy. Now we've got to think hard again. 8. What comes before 8? Let's count up and see if we can work it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. What came before that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what does the 7 look like? Let's have a look at our chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can find a 7. Write a 7, 8, because after the 8. See there? 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9. There we go. That was tricky. Let's turn this over again so I don't have to look without thinking first. This is easier. There's a 3. What comes just before the 3? 1, 2, 3, 2. Good. And what comes after the 3? 2, 3, 4, obviously. Very good. 4. Okay. What comes before a 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I know what a 4 looks like. I think you do too. 4. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5 comes a 6. Very good. Find a 6. There's a 6. 4, 5, 6. I got it correct. Oh, here's a tricky one. 9. What comes before a 9? Let's count and see if we can work that one out, because that's quite challenging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9. Look on the chart again if you have to, not a problem. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's the 8. Let's find the 8. There's an 8. 8, 9, and 10. That's right. I like 10. We know what a 10 looks like. Just remember, don't put the 10 upside down. He doesn't want the 1 on that side. He wants the 1 on this side. Naught on that side. A 1 and then a naught. He doesn't like to be backwards. Like 8, 9, 10. Now, 7. What comes before the 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn him upside down. There's my 6, 7. And the last one's going to be 6, 7, 8. There's my 8. Let's read them together. 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6. 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. Got them all right. Well done, guys. Have fun playing those games. And then you must change the order of the cards up so you get them all as if it's a brand new game again. And so you can challenge your brain every single time. Because with numbers, remember, you can always work it out. If you have to check up on your chart, your number line, that's not a problem. Eventually that gets so stuck in your mind, you can close your eyes and see the numbers in your head. The more often you use this, the easier that becomes. And it's also great to be able to work out things and fix things up. That's what's so great with numbers. You can always fix things up if it goes wrong. So if you do this and it goes wrong, just get your chart and fix it up. Have fun, guys. See you soon.